we on? Good afternoon. This is Casey, 5 Tons with Guns. We're back with you here. Now today, after having our crucible cleaned out, scraped out, heated up, all the impurities out, here are the impurities that we scraped out. I've not exactly been taking good care of my crucible, and you really want to take good care of your crucible. Anyway, we're all cleaned out. Now we're going to, we got 3.5 pounds of copper wire for windings and such that we have scrapped. And we have a total of 21 pounds to work with. So what we're going to do, we're going to charge this crucible up with these wafers that we have already smashed out. Number 6 crucible, and the way the copper is, it takes up a lot of space, even though you condense them down. You gotta smash them down a little bit. Alright, this is all pure copper. It's got a coating of shellac on it. That will burn out. We're going to get this on the furnace. I might add, while you're doing this, you're going to come across such things as bar stock with holes in it. This came from a buzz bar from a junction box. It's 1/4 inch thick, 5/8 wide. Got holes in it, some of which are threaded 10/32. Also, stuff like this, 5/32 thick, 1/2 inch wide, flat. You got some holes here, one of which is threaded. Stuff like that, I hold back, because you've already got some good bar stock that you can make stuff out of. Now, we're going to go out here and get going on this. Here we go. Just put some air to it. Get a good close up here.
Yep, gotta happen.
Well, about 20 minutes. We'll see what we got. We are going to, depending on how this looks, when we got a, when we have arrived at a complete melt, that'll be, we'll act accordingly as to what we need to add to it. Whether it be borax, charcoal, or both. This is our first time, and we've got enough copper here to make at most probably 6 runs. But we're going to make this right, and here's what we'd like to do. Our finished product, we want to make more of these little muffin medallions.